What's up, guys? We're gonna be starting another video today. We're gonna be playing arena mode. So I haven't been posting. I've been busy with like sports and stuff. But we're gonna
make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to like subscribe.
And listen to him. Listen to him. Listen to him. Say it again.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and join his Discord link in the description.
Go subscribe to him and subscribe to me.
I don't have a Discord, but
oh yeah, guys.
Into the map early, so
I don't have a Discord. But we're just gonna be playing.
No, don't.
So
Hey, yeah. Hey, Mingy.
we're gonna be trying to play arena mode. I'll play it like a couple times maybe.
What the? Die, right? Hey, stop it.
Are you guys teammates? Oh, I just died.
Bro.
Oh, that weird guy. Respawn.
Well, all you do is camp and not trying to grind for your team, bro.
Exactly. All these slip-ons. Like, actually fucking play for your team.
buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Haha. Get cooked.
Like, play for your team, dude.
Exactly, bro.
Look at my luscious shotgun.
Bet.
Yeah, you're mad. Oh, I hit my hand, bro. Hit him. He's so low. Hi, buddy, I'm not dead. What?
200? Alright, that guy just...
Bro, what is it with the server and campers? Quit camping now, bro. Yeah. Off.
Killed one of them.
thing could never be me.
He's almost dead.
200.
Do you have shotguns?
Just imagine camping.
Can you get out? Imagine camping, Red.
Yeah,
imagine camping. So it's too bad. Imagine being blue team. Imagine being dead. Oh yeah. Imagine not being dead. Personally, me. Imagine camping, buddy.
Sure.
Personally, me. Imagine not being on a team, buddy. Yeah, it's better than not camping. It's better than being camping, buddy.
Because if you camp, you're gay.
You wanna
All those piece of crap. That's what you are, buddy. Know that.
It smells bad. That's really good. I love that.
Actually, help your team out for once.
That's my favorite. Like this guy. Help your team out instead of camping. How about you help your team out? Oh wait, you don't have one. Imagine getting killed.
Exactly, bro. I don't have to help my team. I'm not obligated to.
Wait.
Because I don't have a team.
Oh, blue team.
Hey guys, if you camp, you're a fat monkey.
I don't really care.
What's my team doing, bro?
Oh my god, it's so loud.
I'm gonna go. Me, bro, you're fucking camping so bad. Like honestly, imagine having to camp. Imagine not being on a team to go in the
Bro, you do not know how to play for your team, bro. All you do is camp. That's what you do for your life.
What's wrong with you?
Imagine not having it because of that.
Jesus.
Dude, you don't have a team because you're a camper. So, technically, we're both even because you technically don't have a team because you don't help them out.
Alright, just stop. Just be quiet, not gonna lie.
I'm I'm mad at that red one, bro. No, blue one. I'm all for blue team, bro. Skelly, see you could get in. Gay camping. Stop camping.
Bro, stop camping.
Maybe we camping. Buddy Banana Hat will stop camping our base.
200?
Yeah, but now you're like all camping. So
Oh yeah, now you're so funny. I'm gonna put this out of Discord. Get reported to Discord.
yeah, bro.
They're just gonna get reported for Discord. Hopefully y'all know that.
Yeah,
Yeah, because you were camping our last night, so why can't we camp
Break
yours?
crystals.
Give me
Break
a minute. Don't
break
have the gun.
crystals. Yeah, I'm about to switch to blue and go camp. No, go play. You can go break red crystals.
I can't.
Yes, white people can break
Good.
crossbow with this on.
Somebody drop a weapon.
No, I'm just camping the base now because of Banana Hat.
Break red
Okay.
crystals. I'm trying to mine the crystal.
Skelly, you can't mine them. I know how to be able to mine them.
Get in.
Give me a minute. I'll get this done.
Yeah, everybody camped their base just like what Banana did to our base.
Yeah, well, yeah, so good because
That's
our
so
whole team
fair.
is mining the crystals when you guys are just sitting here. We could be killing them. Dead.
Give me a minute.
Oh.
Be done.
And they die.
You're taking a pistol.
Yeah, I'm in it.
White. Go break the crystals.
Yeah, I got one.
No, we're camping your base into the room.
Hey, I'll give you this if you go break their crystals, okay? Go break red crystals.
Oh, now you're just trying to bribe now. You died.
They're on one. They're on two.
Dead?
Bro, come here.
What kind of little banana man just stop camping? Then maybe we will.
Go buy a crossbow when you get in.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, this is a full-on rage baiting video. I'm not gonna
I couldn't get a crossbow, but I got a ray gun. Now I can use it.
Go mine.
Give me a minute.
What's up, boy? You can't kill me. Out of the air. Bang.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. We just won.
You're all red done with camp. It's hilarious.
Yeah, Tess, you were camping our base last night, so we decided to keep
This is a rage baiting video, by the way, because it's like we just wanted to, and my friend told me.
I'm gonna go in the map.
Not him, another friend. He just told me to camp in it, and now they're raging. So hopefully play another game, but we might get reported or something.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Yay!
Is this scary? Tell a grenade.
Oh my god.
Hey, yo.
No, don't camp our base just in case we camp yours and...
Oh Lord, imagine having camp.
Man, it's hilarious.
Die, boy, dead. Bro, dead. And all they do is camp. It's hilarious how all they do is camp and still dead. And they still that. Wait, you can put them on your back? Boy, bet. You didn't know that? No, I did not. Break their crystals! Break their crystals!
I'm gonna go try to do the glitch real quick.
the whole white team over there destroying y'all's crystals.
Wait,
Hey, yeah, we made it! Yes, sir!
Dead.
I'm gonna do the glitch. Yeah, once you find a double grenade, go to the window. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Yeah, right before you do it. I'm gonna shoot this. Bomba class. I don't know what I'm doing. I just shot it. Hey, shoot one more person. See what happens. I have a pistol, please.
Pistol?
What's up?
Oh! Oh! So scared. Okay, you want one?
Come over here. Come over here. Where the RPG is. Stand there. Stand where the RPG
Hey, Banana actually got out! That's crazy.
No, Telly didn't.
Yeah, it's so funny that I got out and got back in without y'all even hurting me. Not even one shot
Actually,
on
it
me.
hurt you like 2,000 times.
Wait,
So,
let me do the glitch. I can get
My
all
health
three
is
of
still
us.
125.
You can get all three of us.
yeah, probably because you were healing.
I'm waiting at red base.
Okay.
Dead.
I still got out, boy.
I'm the one to
Just imagine we were winning. Because
And
they were
imagine I got back out. Imagine I got back out. Imagine.
Just imagine. Just imagine.
Stand there.
Oh, no!
Okay. I need a pistol.
Okay, now they're screwed. They're screwed. They're screwed.
Got it.
Yes, sir. They're getting so mad. They're getting so mad. Get pistol.
Dang it.
Click
I
it
can go,
in.
bro.
Join red
Hey, yo,
team
my
and come
game?
over
My
here.
game?
Stop
Drop
it.
it. Come on, drop it.
My game? My game? Sketchy?
Let me back so far.
Wow.
Somebody hit?
Yeah, pull me so far back I fell.
Yo, dude, you want to join the code together? You want to join the
Pull
code?
me so far back.
Another nade. I found another
Hold
one.
on.
Here, I found another one. Here.
Blue.
I'm
Come here,
gonna finish my video.
Wait, yo, what's up? Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up?
There you are.
I'm the other kid.
Sup,
I'm the other
Red
guy.
base.
Red base. Red base.
Yeah, how about let's go to red base? Let's go to red base. Guess there can.
Right, you're gonna.
Why is this camping up there?
My room.
And we're just trying to make kids be
Here, blue, follow me.
fun.
Blue,
It's
follow me.
fun.
Blue. Why am I flying?
Well, we weren't even trying to camp the base
Okay.
until some stupid blue guy started camping. Bye-bye, Blizzard!
Wait, follow me. Get two grenades. You have, these. Okay, come here. Both of y'all, come here.
Hey, I'm
Wait,
gonna
wait, two grenades.
I'm about to go detect
Yo,
the
put your
ghost.
rockets where my rockets are. There you go. Fire!
Wait, where are they going? Where are they going?
Yo, no,
I'm fine. That was one.
I'm sorry, Pete.
Yo,
I just
Guys, I just whacked my dog.
That's actually mad win.
I'm so sorry, Rocco.
Chat, we gotta,
I'm gonna go get a gun.
I'm
chat.
gonna get a gun for myself.
Hey, yo, chat.
because we're getting people so mad that they're leaving their teams.
What the freak?
And I just died.
Here, guys, mind me, tell me, where are you?
Yeah,
I died.
Tell a grenade.
Luigi, come here.
Yeah, dude.
Hold up. I'm right here.
Dude, that's recording.
Well,
It's his family.
Can someone get me a hard gun or a crossbow?
After this round, you want to join the code?
Can my other friend join?
Yeah, he can join. Yeah,
I'm
he
the
can
other.
join.
I'm
I
the
don't
other
care.
guy. Yo, what's up, Blue? I'm the other guy. Remember?
What's up?
Remember me?
Yeah, bro. We used to cook.
Get away from me.
We used to cook until Blue Base was starting the camp our base.
Yo, you got any tele grenades?
Tele grenades? Yeah, sure. Get some. Yo.
Get it, bro.
Yeah, we gotta just break them.
Come help.
Oh, Jesus. Yes, sir.
go. We just won. Hey. Hey.
Alright.
Some rockets.
YouTuber.
Yeah, grab the rockets and do the same thing.
Hey, I'm one too, buddy.
Why am I floating?
Okay, join the code GHT1.
Bro, look at my body, bro.
GHT1.
Wait for him.
Oh, yes, sir.
No,
We got
follow
the
me.
whole squad together.
Everyone, follow me. Hold up, I'm coming back. So, I guess change plans. We're joining this other guy.
Hi, buddy.
It's a waste. I'm gonna beat you.
No!
I beat you.
Yo, are you still
I beat
recording?
you. I touched computer first. Me go.
No, ready?
No, are you on YouTube too?
Yes, I am.
Bet. Let's all add each other after this.
Hold up, I'm gonna add you right now. Just one sec. You wanna see this?
Here. Are you recording right now?
Yes, I'm recording with him. Ready?
Oh, good.
No.
Nah, I think he died. Oh, there he is. Yo, you're over here. We're over here.
Where's your I'm
can't kill
gonna
myself?
end this. I'm gonna end this video off right here. So, bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And what do you have to say to the channel?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to hit that follow button.
Yeah. Listen to him. And yeah, go subscribe to Penguin _Penguin too. Bye.